How to delete chat history in IMO. Want to clear your chats? This guide shows you how to delete your chat history on IMO so you can clean up your conversations. To delete a single chat, go to your main chat list and then press and hold on the chat that you want to delete until a menu appears. Tap on delete to remove the conversation from your chat list. To clear all your data chats at once, go to your Me page and then go to settings. Look for an option like data management or similar name. Go to settings and find storage and data. From there you can choose to clear your entire chat history. This will delete all of your messages, but your contacts will still be there. Here we have chats option. Here you can delete the chat history by clicking here. A confirmation message will appear asking if you want to delete the chat history. Tap on delete to confirm. Remember that this action is permanent and cannot be undone, so be careful when you clear your chats. You now know how to delete chat history in IMO. Get ready to clean up your conversations. Like and subscribe for more iPhone app tips.